Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recover your Instagram account, so let's get right into it. Now, the first method, or the first situation in which you might want to recover your account is if you've forgotten your username or something like that, and for that, all I can tell you is that you can very easily recover it by using the email that you used to create that account. So you can use it instead of your username, so your account isn't lost. So you can try whichever email you think you used, and then you can go ahead and log into your account that way. There you can change your username if you want to, but that is completely up to you. But the second part of this is if you've forgotten your password, you can very easily recover that as well. On the login page of Instagram, you have, an option, as you do on any other site, where you can recover your password or change your password by having a recovery email sent to you, and then from there you can click the change your password or reset your password button in the email that you receive to actually change your password on Instagram and use that password to log in. Now, if that's not working, make sure that you did click the reset password button. If not, if even then it still doesn't work, you can easily request another email, since that previous one might have expired. And then if that doesn't work, then I'm pretty sure you'll have to call or contact customer support. Now, if you're afraid that your account has been compromised, you should also contact customer support and make sure you can change any information about your account that you can, so your username and your password, but and your email as well. Make sure that is secure as well. If that was compromised, then your account will be compromised as long as you keep that mail on your account. But those are pretty much the main methods of recovery that you're going to want to use. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.